Hi there, everyone. I hope you'll join me this week as I'm building a mini terrarium. I'm Dan from Frog Pond Gardening, and I'm working on a little project indoors this week. This was actually an online virtual terrarium class, so everything I needed came prepared in a little kit. So there's some colored sand for making a design in the base. If you've ever made sand art, like in a glass, it's kind of like that. Plus some charcoal and soil for my little succulent zebra plant, and some other decorations like there's some preserved moss, some driftwood, some stones, and everything I need to put this together. Sit back, relax with me, and I'll take you through how I put this together. And make sure you stick around till the end to see my finished design. I'm really happy with how it came out. Now I just need to give it a bit of water and find a nice shelf to display it on. So thanks for watching, and until next time, happy gardening.